The Salvin Benex Pro root extraction system by Meisinger is used to atraumatically extract the roots of teeth while preserving the buccal plate of bone. Begin by using a periotome to sever the periodontal ligament around the tooth. Be sure to section multi-rooted teeth so that each root can be removed individually. Drill a hole no less than 7 millimeters into the center of the root. Use the anchor driver to fully seat the anchor. Insert the end of the extraction cable into the opening of the anchor. The protective Teflon surface safely rests on adjacent teeth for leverage and support. Insert the T-bar end of the extraction cable into the notches on top of the root extractor. While holding the extractor with one hand, use your other hand to turn the handle clockwise until the cable is taut. To extract the root, turn the handle a quarter turn at a time, pausing 5 to 10 seconds before your next turn so that the socket walls surrounding the root are not damaged. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us when you're ready and we'll take great care of you.